Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, November 25th. It is the last day of Module 10, and we are now done with Unit 3. As you know, Thursday is Thanksgiving, so enjoy that time with your family and friends. Um, just stay safe. So let's see what we have to do today. So you have an activity in async. You will have Spark article the other Thanksgiving. Read the article, do the activity, try to get 75% or more the first time. As you know, it's almost the end of the month. We are at the end of the month. So you have a few days to um, read Spark articles to boost your score. Okay. There is an activity in the morning, if you're able to go, from 10 to 11 about Indigenous Peoples Month. In Zoom, here's the code and here's the password. Celebrate with a capital C. And I will be available this evening from 7 to 8 if you have any questions or need extra assistance. I will be available on Zoom. If you need me, you can also text me or you can call me also. I just want you guys to know to be safe this holiday season for Thanksgiving. I am thankful for every single one of you. You guys are amazing people. I am very thankful and grateful for each of you. And that's it. Enjoy your long weekend, and relax and eat. Take care.